The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Woodford County, northeastern Fulton County, Tazewell County, northwestern McLean County, northeastern Mason County, southern Peoria County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Peoria to near Glassford, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near East Peoria, Washington, Creve Coeur and Marquette Heights around 8:50 p.m. Pekin and Morton around 8:55 p.m. Manitou and South Pekin around 9 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Tremont, Mackinac, Green Valley, Delavan, Hopedale, Minear, and Stanford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 14 and 31. Interstate 39 between mile marker 0 and 13. Interstate 474 between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 55 between mile markers 159 and 168, and between mile markers 170 and 172. Interstate 74 between mile markers 87 and 132. You're listening to NOAA.